Hello everyone, I am Kadambini and I welcome you all to this online English channel. So today what we are going to do, we have already made so many videos for class 9 and class 10 students. So this one is for class 9, learn and practice grammar, Odia medium class 9 students, get ready. Here you will get activity 17 to 24 of the first chapter. Now let us do activity 17. So what you have to do here, fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. So in the box we have absolutely, seriously, very, extremely and beautifully. Now let us fill in the blanks. So this knife is dash. So the first one is very sharp. Write down this is one, very sharp. The man was dash injured in the accident. The man was seriously injured in the accident. Then Soumendra is dash faithful to Gandhian ideals. Soumendra is absolutely faithful to the Gandhian ideals. Then Radha is dash beautiful. Radha is extremely beautiful. Radha is extremely beautiful. Then fifth one, the mat is dash designed. It is beautifully. The mat is beautifully designed. So you just quickly write down all these questions in your copy and write in correct spelling and mark the pronunciation. Next activity is activity 18. Fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. Well, slowly, naturally, clearly and carefully. So it is market area. Drive dash. As it is market area, so drive carefully. So this is question number 1. The snail moves dash. The snail moves slowly. And Gopabandhu Babu teaches us English. When someone teaches, we can say well. Teaches well. Babita recites poems dash. Babita recites poems clearly. So this is the fourth one. And the fifth one, Braja paints pictures dash. Last, the left, that is naturally. Okay, so next activity, activity 19. Here the same. Fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. Doubtlessly, so, fairly, probably, always. Why are you driving dash fast? So why are you driving so fast? So what you have to write here? So fast. And Kamalini has done dash well in her exam. Has done. Dear students, we have made videos of all the activities and the links are given in the description box. Fairly well. Then Sachin is dash the best of all the cricketers. So Sachin is no doubt the best. So we have to write doubtlessly. Doubtlessly the best of all cricketers. Mr. Das is dash on time. Mr. Das is always. So this is fourth. And the fifth one, Sunita has got a high temperature. She is dash ill. When someone is having high temperature, then she is probably ill. Fine. Let us move to activity 20. Fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. Occasionally, just, exactly, extremely and hardly. The information counter is dash at the front gate. So it is just at the front gate. And I dash go. I occasionally go. I occasionally go. I go dash against law. So I never go against law. So we can say I hardly go against the law. Price is dash up. Price is very high. So price is extremely up. You are dash on time. You are exactly on time. So when someone reaches at the same particular time, then we can say exactly on time. Next one, activity 21 based on the preposition. So activity 21, put in, at and on in the blanks. So first one, don't sit dash that broken chair. So here what to use? When you have hands, then we say in. When we don't have hands, we say on. So let us use here on the chair. Okay. My brother lives dash New Delhi. It is no doubt lives in New Delhi. My brother lives in New Delhi. Okay. And fine. Next question. Let us see. Dash Japan, the people are very industrious. It is in. In Japan, the people are very industrious. So every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Fourth one, I go to school dash foot every day. I go to school on foot every day. Goodbye. See you dash Monday. Any day that will come, you have to use on. So, on Monday. And next one, my sister is getting married dash June. When we have days, use on. When we have month or year, use in. And when we have particular time, use at. So here answer is in. He plans to come home dash weekend. It is a particular time, so at the weekend. Then are you going out dash Sunday next? Sunday day, so answer is on. Hurry up, the train leaves dash 2 minutes. So the train leaves in 2 minutes. Last question is, what are you doing dash Friday morning? So as it is day, so use on. Finish. This activity is over. Now let us do activity 22. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct preposition given in the box. Braja Mohana works dash railways. Braja Mohana works on the railways. So here preposition is on. You should keep dash left. You should keep two left. So these are the things that you have to remember and hear from your teachers. I can finish the task dash 10 minutes. I can finish the task in 10 minutes. And then comes, he has been staying here dash 1990. So since 1990. So you have to use SINCE, since 1990. She is meeting me dash Friday. She is meeting me on Friday. He is expected to come dash the summer holiday. So we can use during the summer holiday. I stayed at uncle's dash a week. I stayed at uncle's for a week. Okay, for a week. The child is running dash that stray dog. The child is running after the, or we can say behind the. You can use after or you can use behind. Both are correct here. Okay. I saw a man sitting dash a tree, under a tree. So you write down here under a tree. Sukanya walked dash me without speaking. Behind me, you can use behind me without talking. Okay. So in this way, this activity is also over. Now activity 23, fill in the blanks choosing the correct conjunction given in the box. Now let us see which conjunction you have to use in which place. Raju did very well in the examination. Dash, he stood first in his institute. And he stood first in the institute. Okay. Next one, dash, he got a good job. As he stood first, so he got a good job. Dash, he had not tried had. This is although. Although he has not tried had. He performed well dash the circumstances did not suit him. He performed well, but the circumstances did not suit him. He opted to quit the job dash he could go for higher studies. So that, here we have to use so that. So this one is correct here, so that he could go for higher study. However, he had to wait there for a few months more dash his father was unable to afford him. So for and as both are correct. One day the boss called in Raju and congratulated him dash he was selected as a resource person of the company. So as he was selected, Raju thanked the authority dash his dream came true. Raju thanked the authority as or for as his dream came true. He recalled his well-wishers dash leaving for abroad for his scholastic training. It was before he was leaving, before leaving for abroad. Okay, complete. Now the last activity of this video, activity 24, choose the appropriate interjections from the box. I have already made a video on interjection. You can watch that and learn from that. So now choose which one is appropriate. We have options by, oh, alas, hooray. So dash he has lost his only son. Lost his only son means it is a sad situation, so we have to use alas. So make capital A. Alas is used for sad, so this is used for first one. Second one, dash, it is too cold. When it is very cold, we can say oh, oh, it is too cold. Then the third one, dash, Sachin made 50th test century. It is the time for celebration, so it is hooray. Hooray, Sachin made 50th test century. Now, hooray, Sachin made 50th test century. Last one, dash, see you tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow means bye. See you tomorrow. So, chapter 1 complete. I have given the links of all the activities and you will find from activity 1 to activity 28. So I hope you must have got an idea how to write and do all these activities. If you have any doubt, you can ask me using the comment box. So practice makes a man perfect and practice makes a learner perfect. As you are all learners, so practice all the time. I hope you will get success in your life. Now best of luck. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you for watching the video.